Hello students, this is your fourth video of lesson 2. This video we are going to learn about some story sums. First, exercise 2.6. First question, the number of tourists who had visited Darjeeling in 3 months in a year was as follows. Only 3 months is given. Okay, April month 6,346 visitors. May month 23,435. June month 19,229. How many people visited Darjeeling during these 3 months? So April month given, May month given, June month also given. Okay, totally these 3 months how many visitors visited in Darjeeling? So you have to add addition only. Okay, addition. So this is word problem. You have to write steps. Steps is compulsory. Okay, you can write like this: number of visitors. Okay, visited in April month. Number of visitors. Okay, in April month. April or April month. Okay, is equal to 6,346. Next, number of visitors in May month. I put 2 commas. 2 commas means here what you wrote, that one you have to write here, but you should not write. You have to write everything. Okay, May month 23,435. Next, number of visitors in June month. Okay, 19,429. So total number of visitors. Total number of visitors. Total number. So you have to add everything. 6,346 plus 23,435 plus 19,429. Okay, 29. You have to add. This step is compulsory, important step. You have to show this addition. Okay, why? What you are going to do in this problem? That one you have to show. That is compulsory. Okay, then add. This is 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 5-digit number. Okay, so first write 5-digit number first. 23,435, 19,429, then 6,346. How to write this already I explained. Okay, now then add. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Balance 2. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Cut 1. Balance 1. Next, this one you can carry here also, no problem. Okay, otherwise without carrying there also you can write. For your understanding, I will write here. Okay, so this one we can carry here. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Cut 2. Balance 1. Carry here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Cut 9. Balance 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so totally 49,210 visitors visited in Darjeeling. So answer is equal to 49,210 visitors. Otherwise, you can write like this: number of visitors visited in Darjeeling in these 3 months is equal to 49,210. Okay, now understood. So next question, from your book, this question is a 7th question, not second one, 7th question. Add the largest 5-digit number to the largest 6-digit number. Largest 5-digit number and largest 6-digit number you have to add. So first, 7th question, largest 5-digit number. largest 5-digit number. This is very easy. Largest 5-digit number. 5 times 9. Okay, largest 5-digit number, 5 times 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 9. Next, largest 6-digit number. Largest 6-digit number. 6 times 9. Okay, directly we are going to add here. So just leave some space, then write 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Directly we can add. Okay, why directly we are adding here? Okay, in previous steps we wrote one previous problem, we wrote one step and we showed what we are going to do here. We showed, but here no need to that, because already in your question it is mentioned add. Add largest 5-digit number and largest 6-digit number. So directly you can add. Okay, if you don't have space here, you can add here, no problem. Understood? So add 9 plus 9, 18, cut 8, balance 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, 10 plus 9, 19, cut 9, balance 1. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 9, 19, cut 9, balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 9, 19, cut 9, balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 9, 19, cut 9, balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10. This is the answer. Okay, here 8, this is 8. This is the answer. So answer is equal to 109,998. Okay, 10,99,998 is your answer. This is the way you have to do this problem. Understood? So, and next question, not next one, fourth question. There are 363 men and 43,562 women, okay, and 18,565 children in a town. What is the population of the town? What is the population, total population of the town is your question. What we can do? So first, as usual, write steps. Okay, you can write steps like this. Total number of men is equal to 45,363. Next step, total number of women is equal to 43,562. Okay, next, total number of children, this. Okay, next line, that is important line, total number of the town, total number of peoples in the town. So you have to add these 3 numbers you got to add and find the answer. Okay, so this is the way you have to do this story sums. Understood? So remaining sums problems are there, you have to practice in home. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next we can go story sums in subtraction. Story sums in subtraction. Okay, from your book, it is page number 33, exercise 2.7. First, from second question, first question leave it, I will explain later. So from second question I will teach. Story sums in subtraction. Second question, by how much is 42,128 more than 38,965? Okay, by how much is this number more than this number? Understood? In your house, you and your brother or your sister are there. You have 10 apples. Your brother is having 12 apples. By how much he is more than you he is having? Okay, so what we have to do? You have to subtract. So like that, same question, same model. By how much is 42,128 more than 965? For like that questions, no need of any steps. Simply, directly you can subtract. 38,000. Sorry. Larger number we have to write first. 42,128. 38,965. Subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. Here 2, here 6, we cannot. So borrow from left side. Now this is 0, this is 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 0 minus 9 we can't. Now this is 1, this is 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 1 minus 8 also we can't. Now this is 3, this is 11. Okay, 11 minus 8, 3. 3 minus 3, 0, leave it. So 3163, okay, is more than, if you are adding this 3163 with this number, you will get this answer. You know that only I already explained in our previous video. So directly you can write answer is equal to 3163. Only this much. Just subtract then do. No need of any steps. Okay. Steps will come in from next problem. Balakrishna had a fruit farm and 13,035 trees. 13,035 trees. Unfortunately, 4,975 trees fell in a cyclone. How many trees remained in the farm? How many trees remained in the farm? Okay. So this one also we have to subtract. Steps is important. Solution. Total number of trees in fruit farm. That is 13,035. Okay, number of trees fell down is equal to 4,975. How many trees remained in the farm? Number of trees remained. You have to subtract 13,035 minus 4,975. This step is important. You have to mention what you are going to do. You have to mention here. Okay, so 13,035, 4,975. Don't write this 4 here. Already I explained in previous classes. Okay, all ones place, below that you have to write tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, okay, lakh place, like that you have to write. So then subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 7 we can't, so borrow from left side, 0 we can't, left side. Now this is 2, this is 9, this is 13. How it became 9? I already explained. Okay, 13 minus 7, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 4 we can't. So now this is 0, 12. 12 minus 4. Okay, 12 minus 4, 8. 8,060 trees were remaining. Okay, in the form. So answer is equal to 8,060. Understood? This is simple addition and subtraction, but in word problem, steps is important. No need to follow my steps. You can write your own steps also. That's not a matter. Understood? So one more question. By fifth question. By how much is 18,935 less than 27,678? By how much is 18,935 less than 27,678? So what we can do, this is also subtraction. This step, this sum also no need of any steps. Directly we can subtract. Okay, subtraction symbol. 88 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 3, 4, 6, 9 minus 9 we can't. So borrow from left side. Now here 6, here 16. Okay, 16 minus 9, 7. 6 minus 8 we can't. So this is 1. Now this is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 8,743 is the answer. Answer is equal to 8,743. By how much is 18? This number is greater than this. 8743. Okay, if you are adding this 8743 with this number, you will get this number. So this is more than this. Understood? 8743 is more than this number. Understood? Okay. Thank you.